Rapid rotation and a sharp blade work together to expose the concentric rings on a new saucepan. A foundation of oscillating poles works in unison with a rotating arm to wrap a hay bale in just seconds. Tricolored ice cream is packaged up neatly every single time with perfect timing. Five mechanical parts move in perfect synchronicity to bind the links on a heavy-duty chain. A triangular metal template moves vertically to perfectly score triangular cuts that form a piece of expanded metal. Power wash with an adjustable arm is used to remove brown sludge from a clogged pipe. An arm with a flexible blob on it is dipped into a silkscreen pattern to decorate a bowl. A curb full of weeds is cleaned up thanks to a rapidly rotating wire brush that is attached to a street cleaner. A double-armed machine shears noodles to their exact size and launches them into steaming water for cooking. The arm of this pasta cutting machine rotates in a circular motion to cut ribbed elbow pasta. Two parts of this machine rotate together to craft the same exact size thread every time. A chain link fence is constructed in just seconds by two parts of the same machine that are moving in different directions. Different size arms of this machine cave in on themselves to bend pieces of metals to desired shapes. Identical pieces of ice blocks are cut to size quickly by the use of a vertical table saw blade. A mechanical arm scoops up a wrecked car and drops it into a car compactor that turns it into a cube of scrap metal. An automatic arm drops down to fasten, rotate, and peel a coconut in under 5 seconds. A comforter is tightly spooled on an automatic arm for packaging and delivery purposes. Six separate arms of this machine all perform different tasks to create a perfectly coiled heavy-duty spring. A circular pipe is inserted into a pipe deformation machine that transforms the pipe into a square shape.